Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you looking Starlink internet services. In this video, we will see how to order Starlink internet kit absolutely free no matter where you live. Currently, I am living in Copenhagen, Denmark, an entire European country. Starlink are providing you absolutely free of cost internet kit, and afterwards how much money I need to pay for the subscription. We will see detailed demonstration in this video, and it's very easiest way to order Starlink kit in Europe and other country as well. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So currently I'm living here in Copenhagen, Denmark. I just simply open here Google and type here Starlink. So first link is display here. If I click here showing me Starlink internet kit, residential room, fast reliable home internet services, like a services starting from $50 per month, no upfront hardware cost, so absolutely free. If you are living other continents, you just simply provide here the specific address and you can very easily check here. So I just simply type here my address here, Research Rocks. Here look at this, Research Rocks, Copenhagen, Denmark, and just simply say here start. So how much money I need to pay? Standard kit is absolutely free. If I click here for me, and I am receiving this kit 5 to 7 days, and first 30 days is a trial period. If I am not like this internet service, I can return absolutely free. I am not paying single penny. Just order, receive, use 1 month, and if I am not happy, I can return one. After that, if I use this one, so 2 basic subscription is available here in Denmark. Residential 200 Mbps per second is a 279, and other one is a residential only 399 max DKK. So 2 basic subscription is available. Which one you like, accordingly you should decide. So I select first one as a 2799 and add to cart, and this internet kit is absolutely free. And now we can see how much money I need to pay here. 177 Danish krona for the software cost, shopping and handling standard kit 141 DKK. Residential subscription is a 279. Hardware kit is a 00. No need to pay, just only shopping cost charges I need to pay here. I need to pay today 177 and I can place the order. Just simply add here card detail information and just simply place, and within a 7 to 5 days I am receiving Starlink internet connection here in Copenhagen, Denmark. So this is the simple video how you order, what is the price and how much speed you are receiving. If you have any question related on Starlink services, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.